This is my honest review of the Feed Garden Hummingbird feeder. I got the 2-pack so I could have one in the front yard and one in the backyard. So let's put it together. The lid is nice and secure but pops off easily enough for cleaning and refilling. Once you screw the hooks in, you're good to go and can start filling. The set also comes with a little cleaning brush so you can make sure to keep the holes clean for the hummingbirds. Fill the feeder with your nectar of choice. Next, add a little bit of water to the center ant moat to deter ants and other bugs. Secure the lid and it's time to hang. Now wait for the hummingbirds to find the feeder. Don't worry, they will come. Less than a week later, and we already have our first visitor.